Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your phone screen with uBreakiFix step by step clearly. To begin, gather your materials. You'll need a replacement screen, a heat gun or hairdryer, a suction cup, and a set of precision screwdrivers. Start by turning off your phone. Remove any cases or accessories to give yourself clear access. If your phone has screws, locate them and remove them using the precision screwdriver. For most phones, they're typically found near the charging port or on the sides. Next, apply heat to the edges of your phone screen with the heat gun or hairdryer. This will soften the adhesive holding the screen in place. Be careful not to overheat as it may damage the internal components. Once heated, use the suction cup to gently lift the screen. Insert a thin tool, like a plastic spudger, into the gap to pry it open. Take your time and work around the edges to avoid cracking the glass. Once the screen is loosened, carefully detach any connectors securing it to the phone. Now, remove the broken screen completely. Unpack your replacement screen and align it with the connectors. Reconnect the screen to the motherboard securely. Test the new screen before sealing everything up, making sure it responds properly. If everything works, press the new screen into place snugly. If your phone had screws, replace them to secure the screen. Finally, turn your phone back on and check for any issues. Your phone screen repair is now complete. Congratulations on a job well done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.